Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica and I'm back with another video. How are you guys doing today? Because I'm doing great and I hope you guys are doing great as well. Before I dive right straight into this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button down here and subscribe to my channel. It is completely free, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. So without much talking and much rambling, let's go straight into this video. So I decided to make this video today because I often get asked by friends who are thinking to relocate to Ghana, or even people in the diaspora who are looking to relocate to our motherland, to this beautiful continent, Africa, but they are having second thoughts about relocating. They ask, can my business thrive? What type of business can I do? Can I make income? I'm here to answer those questions and also tell you some business ideas you can venture into. Yes, there are a lot of businesses you can do here in Africa, and yes, they are going to definitely thrive and you're going to make some money out of it, thereby creating job opportunities and helping our beautiful economy grow better. And I'm sure this video will be very helpful. So a lot of us in the diaspora are having the thoughts of coming back home, coming back to our motherland, coming back to Nigeria, coming back to Ghana to start up a life for themselves, to build a business, but they're having second thoughts simply because of what the media has portrayed Africa to be. I want you to understand, yes, Africa's economy is still developing, but that doesn't mean that businesses in Africa wouldn't thrive. A lot of people have made millions, a lot of people have built houses, a lot of people have thrived so well here in Africa just by doing businesses. So what is stopping you from coming back? So I want to urge you today, do not look at what the media portrays our motherland to be. Same Westerners or same people who put Africa the way they place Africa or make Africa look are still the same people who come to our motherland and create businesses for themselves, cash out, and make the income they came here to make. So if you're thinking of coming back home to create a business for yourself, then you should definitely do. Come back home with those skills you've learned over there and create businesses. So the first business I would like to talk about is agriculture. Agriculture is a good business to venture into. I've come to realize that Nigeria, Ghana, Africa as a whole has hectares and hectares of farmland that we are not even putting into use. This pandemic is an eye-opener to every single one of us of how important agriculture is. We came to find out that during this pandemic, a lot of supermarkets ran out of stock. Prices of things went high. People were scared of running out and starving to death. So this is a very typical example of how important agriculture is to our motherland. So why not come back home, buy some plots of land, start farming, start up a farming business. Starting up a farming business, you can virtually grow anything in Africa's soil because Africa's soil is so fertile. You can grow things like yam, vegetables, tomatoes, cassava, you name it. Virtually a lot of things and anything can grow in Africa's soil. By doing that, you are creating job opportunities for people, you are making income, and you are also making our economy better. And the way you can make money from agriculture is by exporting them. You can also sell as wholesalers to supermarkets, to restaurants, thereby making huge sum of money, making a lot of income. Agriculture is very important because people eat every day. People have to eat every day. So why not venture into this kind of business and make income and make our economy better and also create job opportunities? So another business you can venture into is livestock farming. Livestock farming is a very lucrative business here in Africa. Here in Africa, we consume a lot of proteins. So why not get a land and start rearing animals like chicken, cow, and goats? Like for instance, chicken lays egg. You can sell the eggs and also sell the chicken. I've come to realize, and it's so sad, that 70% of the chicken we consume in Africa, especially here in Ghana, are imported. When we have so much land that we can rear our own organic chicken, thereby even selling the produce to shops, individuals, even to supermarkets, while we make some income and also create job opportunities by hiring people who will take care of these livestock for you. You are creating job by so doing, and also you are making your income and making our economy grow better. Another business you can venture into is manufacturing company. Manufacturing business is one very big issue we have here in Africa, especially here in Ghana. Virtually everything is imported, starting from rice, cheese, tomato paste, you name it. Even to the extent of cocoa, when Ghana is one of the top countries producing cocoa in the whole world. You can imagine that. So because virtually everything is imported, things become so expensive because there is so much taxes placed on each of the item. Let's produce and manufacture our own food organically here, thereby curbing our importation and increasing more of our exportation. Now moving on to IT solution. IT solution is a good business idea. What I mean by IT solution is building program, cyber security, network security. As we all know, in this era, virtually everything is done on the internet, especially during this pandemic. Virtually everybody is working from home on their laptop, on their computers, even on their mobile phones. So since these companies are letting their staffs and workers work from home, they will have to protect the information of their customers to avoid it from being hacked. So they will definitely need someone to create firewalls to protect the information of their customers. With this IT solution, you can make money not just within Accra, but even outside Accra. You can be here in Accra or here in Africa and have lots and lots of customers or lots of clients in other parts of the world. The next business idea is beauty and fashion. Beauty and fashion is one lucrative business that is growing so rapidly here in Africa. You can come back and become a beautician, you can become a makeup artist, you can even create your own lines of products like lashes, makeups, you name it. We need more beauty products by Africans. Another good thing about this line of business is you do not even need so much money to start off. You can do this in the comfort of your home. For instance, if you're a makeup artist or someone who is good with hair, you can do home services, or people can even come to your home pending the time you raise money to get a shop. You know, we Africans love looking good. We spend so much money to look good, to make ourselves feel good. Beauty and fashion is another line of business that makes more money other than food, because we love looking good. We Africans love looking good. And the best thing is you can advertise yourself in so many ways through the internet. Now let's talk about delivery service. Delivery service is one good business you should definitely venture into, especially here in Ghana. Yes, because virtually everyone into business has an online store. Everything is now done on the internet, and everyone wants to buy their item from the internet at the comfort of their home and have it delivered to them as well. This is a very good business. Just as I said, I have a reason why I said this, because I have very big experience on this. I have a business too. I find it difficult most times to get delivery services to deliver my items on time to my customers. So it's one huge problem we have here in Ghana, especially because we do not have so much or a lot of delivery services for the number of businesses out here. So if you're someone who wants to move to Ghana, I would suggest you go into delivery services, because you will make a lot of money, because there's no competition, there's little to no competition, and the services available are barely enough to sustain or to serve all the big businesses we have out there. Now let's move on to property development. This is a sure way to make some cool money because it's very lucrative. This business is for the big dogs. You can imagine a lot of people in the diaspora are looking to come back home, to come back to their motherland, to relocate and start up a life for them. So imagine a lot of them looking at buying houses, and you are someone from the diaspora as well who just came back. bought a plot of land, built some nice houses. You can either rent them to these people, or you can even put them or list them on Airbnb, or at the end of the day you can even decide to sell your house, thereby making income and growing your business more. So how can I end this video without talking about YouTube? YouTube is another means of making money. There are a lot of content creators all over the world. A lot of people are going more into creating content like lifestyles, vlogs, how to, gaming, you name it. So you can decide to start up your own YouTube channel today and have your own niche. For instance, if you're a hairdresser, you can create video showing people on how to make different hairstyles. If you're a language teacher, you can create video about the language you know. Then, if you're a business person, you can create content based around business. There are a lot more you can do on YouTube. There are a lot of content you can create on YouTube. You can decide to do what you enjoy doing and you know how to do well and good. So these are some of the business ideas you can come home to our motherland, to this beautiful continent, and start up your life if you are in the diaspora. This is not virtually all of it, but I just decided to pick this little to give you an insight of the kind of business you can start up for yourself, thereby making income and thereby creating job opportunities and also developing and increasing our economy, making it better. Yes, and bear in mind also, I want to say this thing: you don't expect to come back and start up a business and it will thrive in just a twinkle of an eye, or to start yielding profit immediately. At least for every business, you have to at least give it 1 year to thrive and to yield profit for you. Trust me, you can make it here in Africa. A lot of people are making it. Trust me, there are a whole lot of people who are making it here in Africa, here in our beautiful continent, by just doing business, because they are good with what they are doing and they know what they want, so they go for it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.